If you love nature, you must visit Taitung Forest Park. There are many tunnels and paths at the park. Hiking and birdwatching are popular activities here. Visitors can rent bikes at the entrance of the park. They can ride all the way to the international landmark. There are 3 beautiful lakes in Taitung Forest Park. Pippa Lake is clear like a mirror. Huoshui Lake, or Flowing Lake, is a favorite place for people to go kayaking or boating. Lu Shi Lake, or Egret Lake, was a swamp before. Taitung Forest Park is a great place to relax and enjoy nature.